Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Fiverr and exactly or especially for the graphic and design. We will be talking about the graphic and design for a buyer and a seller in the same times. So the video should be interesting for now. So after creating your account and settling all your things as a buyer or as a seller, now you are on the dashboard after typing fiverr.com. Let's just let it fiverr.com for now. So yeah, you wave your cursor on the graphic and design and this appears. It looks a lot, but you just have to read it. So we have the logo and brand identities for your company, or I think website also needs a logo. You can create or buy a logo. I will show you how. You just click on the logo and they will show you some logos. You can search, you can switch the logo style, and we have options, file formats, and depending on your needs. Next, we have the brand style guide, the business cards, the font and typography, and others. We have also the logo maker tool that helps you create your logo if you don't know how to. Next, we have the art and illustration, and this is the most important category for me for now because it has AI artists, illustration, we have tattoo design, portrait design, cartoons and comics, we have caricatures, NFT art, storyboard, and this is the thing that this generation wants. So this is the thing that you should keep focus on because it has a lot of money. We have miscellaneous. I always pronounce it wrong. We have the design advice. Yes, Fiverr provide the design advice. Choose depending on what you need. Here we have the web and app design, the website design, the app design, the UX design, the landing page design, the icon design. So for website, for creators, even if it's app creator, you will need a website for the app. So for creators in general. Next, we have products and gaming, industrial and product design. We have character modeling, and people are familiar with this. You see, okay, this is good. They create characters up for you to buy and upload on your games. They are there are some characters that looks good and some not. Okay, let's continue. Here we have also in the gaming session, we have the game art, graphic streamers. Yeah. Ooh, the blue wolf. Great. Let's continue. Here we have print design, flyer design, brochure, poster, catalog, and menu design. It doesn't need any explanation. We have the visual design, the image editing, the presentation, the background removal, the infographic design. You can buy such things, even the background removal. Yeah, depending on the category. Continuing here, we have, sorry, we have the marketing design, the social media design, the social post and banners, the email settings. We have the web banners, the signage design. We have the packaging and covers, the book design, the book cover, the album cover design, and architecture is also good because we have architecture and interior design for house, hotels, panels, and everything. People can buy the design. I am interested in the interior design for now. I will go back after I cut the video. We also have here the fashion, the t-shirt design, the jewelry. We have the 3D design, architecture, industry, fashion, printing characters, landscape, game art, jewelry design. I mean, like all of those, but in 3D. This is the new category. So this is for a buyer, but for a seller, you should complete your profile first and click become a seller. Continue. Yes, continue. Yeah, yes. You fill the personal info, the professional info, the linked account, and the security account. I already fill up all this, so the video won't take long. I forget my password for my account Twitter. Here, I can't add a phone number. And your profile is done. Now, let's go to the overview. Gig title. I will do something I'm really good at. I will talk for hours about anything because I'm a good talker. I'm not writing it. Category. Here you choose the category. So we said graphic design. And you can select a subcategory. So yeah, we have the design and all the category we saw. Let's just say this is hard. AI artist. I don't know how to do this. AI and oh no. Yes, I use Dolly. That's it. Skip. Positive keyword. Handsome. Good looking. At least 6. King. Wow. Okay, 6. 5. Oh, 5 maximum. Sorry. Next. Pricing. The basics. Oh, this is a lot of information to fill. Name the package. Standard, premium. Okay. I can't skip that? I can't. So yeah, after the pricing, the description, the requirement, the gallery, the publish, your account will be ready and you can start earning money. I can't do this for now because I don't have any idea what am I doing with the basic and the premium plan. Why isn't the same price? And okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of our video until I find out something to sell, except my knowledge. That's considered 0. And thanks for watching and goodbye.